Tingnan nyo nga itong mukong na hambog na ito. Oh. Sinayawan lang ang ating kababayan, isa lang daw itong pataba. At binastos pa ito sa pagtawag pa lang ng pangalan.
Philippines, please welcome Glenn Enterina!
Ngunit hindi dito pumayag ang Pinoy na hindi makaganti. Pinabagsak ang kanilang undefeated champion.
Usapang boxing, palitan ng mga malalakas na kamao.
Sinayawan, kinantyawan, at binastos pa sa pagtawag pa lamang ng kanyang pangalan. Dahil payat ang pangangatawan ng ating kababayan, inakala nilang madali lamang siyang pababagsakin. Para sa mga Australiano, isa lang siyang pampataba sa record ng kanilang undefeated champion. Pero hindi nila alam, ang payat na Pinoy na kanilang minamaliit ay may dalang tapang at lakas mula sa Mindanao. Siya si Glenn Enterina, tubong Lanao del Norte. May 15 panalo at 9 na knockout. Matapos ang sunod-sunod na tagumpay sa Pilipinas, dumating ang pinakamalaking pagkakataon sa kanyang boxing career. Isang laban para sa IBF Youth Lightweight title. Ang kanyang makakalaban ang undefeated Australian fighter na si Jacob Nang. May 9 na panalo, 7 knockout at wala pang talo. Sa papel, malinaw na paborito ang Australiano, suportado ng buong arena at kumpiyansang mananalo laban sa Pinoy. Sa pagtawag pa lamang ng pangalan, sumasayaw na si Nang. Naghiyawan ang crowd habang tila kinukutya ang ating kababayan. Pero tahimik lamang si Enterina. Dahil alam niyang sa loob ng ring, hindi sayaw o yabang ang sukatan, kundi ang tibay ng panga at bigat ng kamao. Round 1. Agresibo agad si Enterina. Walang takot na sumugod at makipagsabayan.
Enterina in the red from the Philippines. I just got to mention, Nath, about the ring entry, the awesome, amazing, exciting ring entry that Jacob Entry does. He told me. Power punches, as you can see, Enterina is right here now. One draw, as you mentioned, Jacob 9-0 with 7 KOs. Reaches the mark, is going to fight any means an easy fight for Jacob Entry. This man is coming to fight, he's coming to go straight up. You take this means an easy fight. This is going to fight any means an easy fight for Jacob Entry. This man is coming to fight, he's coming to go straight up to take this title. Jacob Entry, he knows what to do. He knows how to mix it up, he knows how to go to the body.
Yeah, he's being very patient here with NG. He's here, or not a punishment. He's taking a lot of punches on his gloves, but now he's starting to open up himself. Just very patient, waiting for those openings before he throws his punches.
I asked him about his game plan. He said he's going to use his footwork at the start of the fight. He's going to watch those long punches, which is obviously what he's doing here. He's going to hold his, going to start walking, dominated 3, 4 rounds. It's going to be very dangerous for him. Once he gets his punches off in his range, especially early in the fight. But yeah, we'll get that for him against the ring.
Yeah, good punches there from NG. That's a big thing.
Pero sa gitna ng kanilang palitan, isang malakas na suntok ang tumama sa Pinoy. Bagsak si Enterina. Sumabog sa tuwa ang buong arena. Akala ng lahat, malapit nang matapos ang laban. Pero bumangon si kabayan. Hindi siya nagpunta sa Australia para basta lamang sumuko. Round 2. Oras naman ang paghihiganti.
And you look at him, he's going to slip free, but he does deliver power.
Nakakita ng pagkakataon si Enterina at pinakawalan ang mabilis niyang kanan. Sapol! Bumagsak si Jacob Nang. Ang maingay na arena, biglang natahimik. Ang Australianong sumasayaw kanina, ngayon ay nakahandusay sa lona. Nakatayo pa rin si Nang, pero mula rito, lalong uminit ang bakbakan.
He's looking to stand up. Enterina, punch himself out. He needs to tie him up. He's going to survive. It's going to take him about 30 to 40 seconds. He chooses to punch back. Use his feet, that's good. Tie him up. Yes.
On wobbly legs, he's got to hold on with all his might here. There's 2 or 3 good punches.
Use his feet, that's good. Tie him up. Yes.
On wobbly legs, he's got to hold on with all his might here.
Use his punches. Go, here comes Jack. Jacob's got to be careful. Chooses to fight.
nagkaroon ng suntok habang nakatalikod ang Pinoy. May tulakan, may yakapan, at may mga galaw na tila hindi patas. Pero sa halip na awatin agad, parang hinayaan lamang ito ng referee.
Wants him to keep it clean, and this is what the people came for. He's got to keep his hands up. I'd like to see a few feints too, Nathan.
Yes, he can't be rushing in like he just did before. He got away with it that time, but he might not get away with it next time.
But we know he's a fighter. He's fought in Thailand, he's grown up fighting, and he loves it. He loves
Sinakyan ng champion, tinulak at sinuntok habang nakaluhod sa lona ang Pinoy, ngunit baliwala nang ito sa referee. Round 3, lalong naging magulo ang laban.
for that big right hand counter. Jacob's got to be wary of that. He's got to keep his hands up like he is now and do those little feints. He's got to use his distance well, doesn't he, Nathan?
Yes, he does. Because this is when he's dangerous to Philip.
Nathan's the fighter start chasing him. He can't stay. Just do it and just go in and look to land big shots. That's a trainer's game. That's a trainer's game. But sometimes he's got some and stand toe to toe. That's Jacob Benji. Jacob Benji, the jab. He's got to be careful. He's got to keep. Loves it. He loves to mix it. He loves combinations. Two to the body, one over the top. Here comes a trainer with his own right uppercut. Beautiful two something again. But he's wearing a lot. His attack is better than his defense. Benji's. This is what this Filipino. No, stop grabbing his leg. Do not. He's got a his hands tonight, as does Jacob Benji. Both of
Mula sa mga atake ng Australiano, magkasunod na suntok ang pinakawalan. Ngunit biglang nag-counter ang Pinoy, naalog si Jacob ngunit niyakap nito si Entrina at tinuhod upang mapaluhod sa lona. Kung yaring nag-warning ang referee na delayed ang laban at nakaligtas sa pagbagsak ang kanilang champion.
he's saying, come on, bring it. And he comes and throws a big left hook as he's been doing this whole round. And G's got to be careful. A willingness to punch, a willingness to throw. Wow. Eterina knows nothing but left hooks and right hands and fight. He's got NG in the corner now. NG moves out well. He's got the variation. Taylor possesses some punches to the body, to the face.
Mula sa palitan ng suntok bagsak si Jacob, ngunit hindi ito binilangan ng referee.
There's a lot of water in that red corner.
Pagsapit ng round 5, wala nang gustong umatras. Alam ng kampo ni Enterina na mahirap umasa sa scorecards kapag nasa teritoryo ng kalaban. Kaya ibinuhos niya ang lahat sa bawat pag-atake.
Careful. Angles are good. Left uppercut. Jab. He's still there. He's still in this fight. He would have sparred hundreds and hundreds of rounds in the Philippines with tough fighters.
It looks like he's gained his head back completely now, Carly.
Yep.
The Flamingo, he looks now, and he's starting to get his better shots off himself as well.
That's exactly right. And a lot of that, I believe, is due to the angles that he's creating. He's moving out at different angles like there, so he's not letting Arjuna be in a position to throw his punches. When he's straight in front of him, Arjuna will throw. We can mark our words that, like that.
Look at those jabs, like sniper-like.
Beautiful. This is what he's got to do. Pick this heavy punching, flat-footed opponent off.
Got it. You tackle him one more time.
Round 6, mainit ang palitan. Parehong tumatama, parehong nasasaktan, at pareho pang lumalaban. Pero matapos ang isang kombinasyon mula kay Jacob biglang pumasok ang referee at itinigil ang laban. Nagulat ang Pinoy dahil para sa kanya, kaya pa niyang lumaban. Pero tapos na raw ang laban. Technical knockout. Panalo ang Australiano. Ngunit para sa maraming nakapanood, hindi malinaw kung kailangan na ba talagang itigil ang bakbakan. Ngayon, kayo naman ang humusga, mga idol. Tama ba ang pagpapatigil ng referee? O dapat hinayaan pa niyang lumaban ang Pinoy? Ilagay ang inyong sagot sa baba. Isama rin ang inyong lugar para malaman natin kung hanggang saan umaabot ang suporta para sa ating mga mandirigmang Pilipino. Kung gusto nyo ang mga videong katulad nito, pasuporta na lang ang ating channel.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan panibakbakan, balita niya at laban, mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.